Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and that you have admin privileges. This avoids permission errors. Next, make a timestamped backup of config files and the original exe so you can revert if needed. Once done, download the verified FPS unlocker build and verify its checksum to ensure integrity. Make sure to disable antivirus only for the install phase and re-enable it after. This minimizes false positives while preserving security. You run the unlocker installer as admin and pick a custom path outside cloud-synced folders to prevent accidental file locking. Then follow the precise patch or injection steps for your game engine, set the target FPS, enable frame pacing, and override VSync only if the unlocker recommends it. After that, edit the game INI to disable any internal frame cap, and if needed, switch the render API to the one that the unlocker supports. These changes make the unlock. You finish by launching the game in both windowed and full screen modes to test stability. Pay attention to stutter versus smooth gains. Use an FPS overlay to monitor results and compare before and after numbers, then confirm saves are intact. If you encounter crashes, check the unlocker and game logs, update GPU drivers, and reinstall the unlocker cleanly from your verified copy. Finally, run the game integrity check and, if needed, restore the timestamped backup to recover original behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.